Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be showing you how I made this beautiful heart-shaped rose wreath. And I picked up 11 total bunches of roses at Dollar Tree. You are going to also need one of the love heart-shaped tinsel signs from Dollar Tree. And you're going to remove the tinsel from the sign. You're going to need some tulle to wrap the heart frame with, your scissors, your wire cutters, and your hot glue gun and glue sticks for this wreath. First, you are going to want to remove the red tinsel off of your heart frame. And this is how it looks, and be very careful removing the tinsel because the frame is plastic. Now you're going to pull the roses off of the stem. Just be very careful and they'll just pop right off the stem. You don't have to use your wire cutters. Just pull your roses off, and I have 11 bunches of roses. And then you're going to take your tool, tie it onto the back of your heart frame, and then you're just going to wrap tightly the frame with the tool. That way you can hot glue your roses onto the tool. And just make sure you pick out a color tool that goes along with the color roses you are using on your wreath. And just try to get the tool pretty tight around the frame. And so just get a layer of tulle all over your heart frame. And then tie it off on the back. I have seen several ladies make this rose wreath, and everyone does things a little bit different, but I just like having my heart wrapped with tulle so that way it gives me something to hot glue my roses onto. So here we're just adding quite a bit of hot glue onto the bottom part of the rose, and then I'm just going to carefully place it on my heart. Now I started at the top in the center and then just went to the left when I did mine, but you can start wherever you want, but I think it's best to start in the center and kind of work your way around. We did not have any roses left. My daughter used every single one of those roses. So if you think you might need more, pick up an extra pick. Pick up 12 rose picks at Dollar Tree. But it worked out beautiful with the 11. And Dollar Tree has a lot of beautiful roses right now. So if you haven't been to Dollar Tree, they have some really pretty things in. And this is how it looks so far. And I really like the way it looks, guys. And I'm sorry if you hear something. It's my little dogs. You will want to hot glue your roses close together. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And just squeeze your roses in so that it's nice and full and fluffy. And that's how it looks with 11 of the rose picks. And I just used the string that came on the tinsel heart wreath to hang mine up. And so here it is, guys. I think I'm going to hang this one in my bathroom. And Dollar Tree has some purple roses, they have red roses, they have some that are 2 shades of pink, they have white, they have cream, and then they have this beautiful pink. So lots of choices at Dollar Tree this year. If you are on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me at Keeping It Simple Crafts on Instagram. I am also on Facebook at Keeping It Simple Crafts. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful night.